Hi, you guys. Welcome to our math video this week. The past couple of weeks, we've been talking about addition and adding things together, right? We've been making number sentences and equations and figuring out how to make different equations out of the same number. I know that it's difficult. This is a new idea for some of you. And I so wish that I was able to be there with you to help you with this and teach this to you. But this is just what we have to do. So today, I'm going to give you some different ways and strategies to help you add. There are 7 different ways, okay? First, we're going to start out with a little poem from Backpack Bear, okay? So it says, when I see a plus sign, I know just what to do. I add up all the numbers and find the total when I'm through. See? So Backpack Bear has 1 plus 1 plus 1 apples. How many apples does that equal? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Okay, Backpack Bear has some blocks. He has 2 red blocks and 1, 2, 3 yellow blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. And then down here, he has 1, 2, 3 crayons plus 1 orange crayon. 3 plus 1 equals 4, right? So let's read our poem one more time. When I see a plus sign, I know just what to do. I add up all the numbers and find the total when I'm through. So that can help us remember what we do, right? So today in this video, we're going to go through all of these strategies, okay? So number 1, we can use our fingers, right? Just like this picture, we can hold up a number 2, right? I have 2. And then on my other hand, I'm going to have 3. How many fingers are we holding up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 2 plus 3 equals 5. That's our first strategy. Now, strategy number 2 is we can use our 10 frame, right? So I'm going to draw our 10 frame for us. We can use our 10 frame. So, okay. Here's our 10 frame. So the 2 colors I have are black and blue, right? So I'm going to make 2 dots with my black marker. And I'm going to make 3 dots with my blue marker. Okay? Now, how many dots do I have? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5, right? And we used our 10 frame. Good job, you guys. Good job. Okay, our next strategy number 3, is to use our counters, right? To use our counters. And really, you could use any kind of counters you want. I'm going to use blocks. But you could use anything to count. Anything that will help you count, you can use, okay? So, I can count them out, right? 1, 2, have my 2, and then 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have my 5 counters. And like I said, you could do anything. You could use Legos, you could use blocks, you could use crayons, you could use goldfish during snack time. Anything that helps you count, you could use them as your counters. Okay. This one, our next one is kind of new. We haven't really talked about it. So it's called that we can use the number line, see? So a number line, we used to have one in our classroom at the very, very top. So it's a line, right? We make a line and we write our numbers down here. So there's number 1, there's number 2, there's number 3, number 4, I have to make it a little bit longer, number 5. So I'm only gonna make my number line to number 5. But it could go all the way, okay? A number line keeps going and all the numbers fit on it. So we can use our number line to help us add 2. So I'm gonna find the 2, right? So I put my finger on the 2, and I wanna add 3 to my 2, okay? So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3. I added 3 to my number 2, and what number am I at? I'm at number 5, right? Because 2 plus 3, 1, 2, 3, equals 5. Good job, you guys. I know that one's a little bit different, but we can use that one. Okay, our 5th strategy is that we can use tally marks. We can use tally marks, okay? So we've learned about tally marks, so I'm gonna draw 2 tally marks, ready, which are just like lines. 1, 2. I have my 2 tally marks. Then I'm gonna do our plus sign, and I wanna add 3 more tally marks. So 1, 2, 3. Now how many tally marks do I have in all, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5. We have 5 tally marks. Good job. Good job, you guys. And this one is called I Can Use My Head and Count On. So in this one, we think of the number 2, just think of it in our head, the number 2 in our head, and then you will add 3 to it. So I'm thinking of number 2, and I'm gonna add 3 more. So ready? 2, 3, 4, 5. See? I thought of the number 2 in my head, and then I used my fingers to count out how many we were adding, since we were adding 3, right? So we start at 2, and we count 3 more. 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Okay. The 7th strategy is that we can draw pictures to help us add. So what I'm gonna draw hearts, okay? Because I love you all so much and I miss you. So I'm gonna draw 1 heart, 2 hearts, 1, 2, plus, and then I'm gonna I have to draw something different. So I have 2 hearts and I have 3 stars. So that's not a very good star. Miss Abby isn't a very good drawer. So 1 star, 2 star, 3 stars. Okay? So I have 2 hearts, 1, 2, and I have 1, 2, 3 stars. How many do I have in all? How many hearts and stars do I have? Okay, so let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pictures in all, right? And you could draw whatever you wanted to help you add, okay? So those are our 7 strategies, right? We can use our fingers. We can use a 10 frame. We can use counters. We can use the number line. We can use tally marks. We can use our head and count on. And we can draw pictures to help us, okay? So, no matter what addition strategy you could use any one of these 7 strategies to solve the addition problems. And the answers will always be the same, right? We did all 7 of these strategies, and we did the same equation. We did the same problem, 2 plus 3, and all of our strategies helped us figure out that the answer was 5, didn't it? So all of these strategies help to find the same answer. And what I want you to do is, I know that sometimes our work is hard. And like I said at the beginning of the video, I know that addition is hard and it's new. So I want you to try these strategies out at home and see what works best for you. See what makes most sense for you and helps you the most, because that's what I want you to use, okay? I'm so proud of you guys, and I know you're working so hard at home and you're doing such a good job learning, and I'll see you next time, okay? Bye, you guys.